So I am out here at Schreiner's iris garden, but we're not with the irises right now. We're with the daylilies, and Ben Schreiner, that's who you are. This is kind of your girl that you're taking over, isn't it? The whole daylily part of this.
That's right. We got the daylilies 3 years ago from the hybridizer Bill Marriott in California. And so this is the third year we're growing them.
And you know, I love daylilies to begin with, but this grouping that you guys are selling are breathtaking. The blend of colors, the thickness of them is so we wanted to cover about some things like how do you transplant them? Is there special needs they have compared to the other ones? So let's just jump right in with what about just moving them or planting them to begin with? How do we do that?
Sure. So I have one here for you we can work with. So daylilies can be transplanted anytime from April till September. So even though this one is showing buds and it's about to bloom, you can still dig and divide right now.
Really?
So yeah, and so you want to try to get as many fans as you can.
By fans, say what you mean by that.
So this is one fan.
Okay.
And each fan will have one scape.
Okay.
And the scape is the stalk that produces the bloom. So we ship all of our daylilies double fan, 2 fans. And you can either plant it straight in like this, or you can divide it. And to divide it, you just take the 2 fans and just pull it apart.
See, that's really simple.
Yeah.
That is really simple.
So now you have 2 plants.
And so then when you go to plant them, you know, we hear so much about the best way to plant anything that we're just planting, and it's all this extra, the steps to do it. So tell us what you would do with those now.
Right, so it's real easy. You just take it, I'll put it on the ground here. You want to trim the leaves, so you just take a shovel.
Oh my, yeah, that's simple.
If the roots are too long, you can always trim the roots.
Wow.
The roots will regenerate. And then I have a hole here, and you're just going to put it in the hole.
And how deep do you put it in then?
You only go a couple inches down, so you can kind of see where the green is on the foliage. You don't want to go any deeper than that. So just right about right there.
And then you did no fertilizing, no starter stuff. You just put it in good soil and put it in.
Yeah, put it in, and then water it in, and it's good to go.
And then what is there that are keys to making them bloom, because they really do appear to be very easy?
Yeah, so you want at least half day of full sun. You want to make sure you get at least an inch of water every week. And then you want to amend the soil with a fertilizer such as a 10-10-10 or compost like we have here, horse manure, anything like that.
And then the varieties that you guys have just keeps expanding. So all of these are sold then at your website, correct?
Yes, schreinersgardens.com. We have, I think, over 500 varieties available.
Wow. Yeah. And I have to tell you, we got them about a year or so ago. Mine are just setting buds now, and the difference is the old daylilies are stunning, and they're hardy, and they're easy. But these new ones, there's just a beauty about them that is unique to that group of the family.
Yeah, the newer ones are a little fancier. They have more edging, more intricate colors and patterns.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, as I said, we at Garden Time all got these and we love them. They're just an exquisite blooming daylily. So if you're thinking, I really want to add those to my garden, all you have to do is go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to their website. You can find out when to buy them, which I think you said you're shipping right now, aren't you?
Correct, yeah.
Well, so there you have it. You can have it in the ground as soon as you get your new daylily. Thank you so much, Ben. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Juan.